It's been shrouded in mystery for almost 2,000 years. The true face of Christ. In all of human history, no other face is as recognizable as the face of Jesus. And yet no one knows what Jesus actually looked like. Now, for the first time, modern technology, science, and religion come together to visualize what may be the face of Christ. In a chapel in Turin, Italy, encased in bulletproof glass, is the most studied object in the world, the Shroud of Turin. This ancient cloth bears the image of a tortured and crucified man. Some believe this artifact to be the actual burial shroud of Jesus. The face of the man in the shroud was scarcely visible until a startling photographic negative was produced. But there is an additional, inexplicable property of this image which caught the attention of 3D computer graphics artist Ray Downing. Encoded within the fibers of this cloth is 3D information which shouldn't be there. It's as if someone, using an unknown technology, hid a blueprint for constructing a three-dimensional statue within this two-dimensional image. Downing worked for over a year, extracting and refining this encoded information to create that statue, to reveal for the first time the face of the man in the shroud. This new portrait of Jesus drew worldwide attention in the news media and was the subject of a History Channel special. Inspired by quotes from the New Testament, Downing has gone on to illustrate a library of Jesus portraits based on the Shroud of Turin image, a face both hidden and revealed in time. Suffer little children, and forbid them not to come unto me. Lazarus, come forth. O my Father, if it be possible, let this cup pass from me. If the world hates you, ye know that it hated me before it hated you. Father, into thy hands I commend my spirit. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. I am the resurrection and the life. My kingdom is not of this world.